Hi, this is Bill Latham, the high-tech lawyer, with a little perspective on where we've been computing-wise and where we're going. In 1977, I got my first personal computer, the Timex Sinclair 1000, which boasted an astonishing, and I'm astonished, 4K of computing power. That's right, 4K. I worked my paper out extra hard that summer and earned another $100 to get the 16K extension for a grand total of 20K on this little touchpad computer, which is really not good for anything except writing some very basic language programs. Now contrast that to where we are today. This is the Seagate mobile wireless drive that is very good for using with the iPad and with any other computing device. It basically has its own hotspot, and it has a terabyte of data on it. So you can use this to store a terabyte of data from your iPad or any other computer and to access it. And it's got a cord which allows you to plug it up and from after you've recorded stuff from your iPad and put it onto another computer. Now, to give you an idea of a terabyte of data, 1 gigabyte of data is about 75,000 pages of documents. 75,000 pages of documents. So just doing the math, a drive like this can hold 75 million documents, 15,000 banker's boxes of documents right here. It's simply incredible, and this is obviously going to be obsolete in a very short amount of time. Now, kind of to give you some more perspective of how memory is changing and shrinking and computing is becoming more powerful. This is Iconia Acer 8.1 inch Windows 8.1 tablet. I've got 8.1 beta preview on here, and it's not really an exceptional tablet. The screen quality, the resolution is not that great, but what I really want to show it to you for is, it comes only with 32 gigabytes of data, but it has a card slot to add an extra 64 gigabytes, up to 64 gigabytes, and I'm going to show you the card. And this is an SDXC card, and to give you an idea, I'll bring this up close. This is the card. It's smaller than a dime, it's thinner than a dime, and this is 64 gigabytes of data on this little teeny card. And this card actually goes into a bigger sleeve than the standard photo cartridge card that you can stick right in and use it on a regular computer. Now, reports are that they have 128 gigabyte cards of this type that are relatively expensive. These are about $1 a gigabyte, so to give you the price range. But it's reported that within the next couple of years, cards of the same width will be able to go up to 2 terabytes of data. So 2 of these fit into 1 of these, and so we're talking about 150 million documents, or 30,000 banker's boxes in a chip this big. So we're making some astounding progress in computer memory and computing power, and that leads to some things to think about that have a great social ramification. And one of those that I'm really interested in is artificial intelligence. We've got this whole projection system that artificial intelligence, because of the Moore's law, the increase of computing power and memory, that it is quite possible that we will have a computer reaching self-awareness by 2023. That's about 10 years from now. And so that's not long in the scheme of things, and that has also ramifications for our field, the legal field. If you could have an expert system and consult with a lawyer that's an electronic lawyer that can review every precedent, can digest the data, and can think and critically reason, that's going to be a big competition for many lawyers' jobs, and we'll have to think about the ramifications for our society. Anything that can be done cheaply by humans can be done cheaper by computers. So we'll have to just think about that. And what does that mean for us as a society, for our sense of well-being, and what we are going to be doing in our lives? So I'm hoping that in the next 10 or 15 years that I hope to have left in the law practice actively, I'm a trial lawyer. I'm hoping that I won't be replaced in that amount of time, and leave it to you, the younger folks out there, to figure out how to deal with all these developments. But just think about it. There are big ramifications, and we're going to have to deal with them, or you're going to have to deal with them. So with that pleasant thought, this is High Tech Lawyer Bill Latham, wishing you a good day.